Welcome back. So let's quickly look how this course is designed and take it from here. So first we will understand how the software projects and testing methodologies are handled in agile environments. Okay, so we shall be using Jira to demonstrate this whole process. Okay, and here if you see here, software projects and testing. In agile environment, no matter you are tester or developer, there will be the same process which you need to follow. As an agile team member, everyone has to stick to the same rules and the process. So here, ideally, you should not differentiate between tester and developer in agile environment. Okay, everyone has a responsible for quality and for delivery of the product. Okay, so keeping in that mind how whole agile team sits together and do the process from requirement gathering to till project is delivered. So everything we'll be seeing in the one section using Jira as our project tracking tool, and we'll complete this end-to-end demonstration. Okay, so once you are done with this, and next I'm going to show how this software testing is handled in traditional software development lifecycle. Okay, in traditional SDLC or waterfall model, these software testing people have some specific roles and responsibilities. But when you go in agile, there is no differentiation between developer or tester or BA. It's all in the same line. That's how these agile and waterfall differs. More about that you will learn when you go deep dive into these sections. Okay, so in one of the section we will clearly know how this is handled in traditional SDLC, and still most of maintenance projects people still rely on this SDLC. But if you go to any product based companies, and if they are starting the project recently and then they are choosing agile as their strategy to do the project. Okay, so in the market you have 50-50 share with waterfall and agile. Okay, so next you will get familiar with different types of testings available and their usage. And if you just Google, you will come across so many types of testing: smoke testing, integration testing, component testing. There are different type of testings available, and here we will see what are those types of testing and when they are used in your project. Okay, in what scenario which type of testing will be used, that details I am going to give you, and that will really help you when you are working in real-time projects. Okay, and then we'll have thorough understanding of Jira tool when we are going through this section, and also Bugzilla tool for project management. And now in most of the projects, people are using these tools to track their entire project details. So with the understanding of Jira and Bugzilla, you can play around with these tools in your workplace. Okay, we will go through complete understanding of these tools. And finally, we will see how to write edge test cases with out-of-box thinking, and how to do the defect lifecycle process. And we will learn all these miscellaneous concepts which are common to every software engineer again. So this defect lifecycle should be known to tester and as well as developer, because both are involved in part of this defect lifecycle. Tester has to test this, developer has to fix this defect. So this is common knowledge to everyone, every software engineer. And as well as this edge test cases. Tester has to test and break the application with out-of-box thinking, and dev also has to write a code making sure that he is taking into all these edge test cases into consideration. Okay, so we will learn that too, and then finally we will wrap up by learning some SQL basics again, which are common to every software engineer, because you may be expected to write some basic queries and talk to the database. Okay, so we will learn each of this in different sections, and by end of this course, as I said, you will be able to gain all the skills and you can lead the team from the scratch. Okay, so keeping in this mind, let's quickly jump into our next section and start with this Agile and Jira topic, and we will demonstrate that by picking one dummy project, and you see the magic of working with both Jira and Agile. We'll see that from our next section, and all the best guys. Thank you.